Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my churros. Super easy recipe. Let's get started. You're going to need flour, unsalted butter, water, vanilla extract, oil, salt, sugar, and cinnamon. 1 1/4 cup of water. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, lastly, your 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted. Make sure it's unsalted. We're gonna bring that to, and just bring it to your stove. I'm gonna stir this until it's all dissolved, so it's boiled pretty much. And then you remove from heat. Once it boils, you add your 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Turn heat off. And add your flour. Stir. Continue to stir until it forms a ball of dough. Okay, it's ready. Once your dough looks like this, leave it for about, I want to say 2 minutes or so, till it cools down a little bit. You don't want to burn your Ziploc bags. And that's it. While your dough is cooling down, we're going to get our sugar and cinnamon ready for coating the churros. Add as much sugar and cinnamon as you'd like. You kind of will know. You will know, trust me. There you go. Once your sugar cinnamon cone is ready, set it aside. We're gonna get our bags ready. So I get 2 Ziploc bags, one inside another for resistance. I know I should have piping bags, but if you don't have them, this is perfect. Cut the corner, and it would be nice if you have some really good scissors. Mine are awful. And just put your star tip in there. and just put it in your cup. Fold it. And start adding your dough. Still hot, a little hot, so be careful not to burn yourself. Remove from the cup. Push down. Okay, it's ready. So set it aside and get your skillet with oil ready for deep frying your churros. Once your oil is ready, you start adding your batter carefully. You're gonna have it on medium heat and cook them until they are golden brown. Make them as long as you want. You're gonna need your scissors to cut it. Or as small as you want. You want a bite size. This one's ready. As you can see, this is the color, golden brown. Remove off the heat. I like to place mine in a napkin so that we can get rid of the excess oil. Okay, these are ready. So now you just grab them and start putting them in your cinnamon and sugar. One. Easy. This one came out a little crispy. Still good. Super good. So now you just enjoy everyone. This is what they look like. Ooh, look at all that cinnamon and sugar. Let's choose the victim. Let's try this one. Ready? So good. You guys are gonna love the recipe. I promise. The coffee, champorado. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. You're gonna get your fingers dirty. And yes, I can eat all these by myself. Now, before I let you guys go, I want to send a shout out to a very special person. She requested this recipe. So shout out to you, mamas. Love you, baby girl. Her name is Susie. So now you know how to make them. No excuse. Next time you're going to make them for me. Anyway, guys, thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you guys want to watch. Any requests, comments. Hit that notification button. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Leo.
Bye, thanks for watching.